Alright, so here we're starting one of the finishing operations on the top contour. Basically taking a big end mill and whipping around, stepping down about 1 millimeter every increment. It's going to give us kind of a Machu Picchu type effect, but we're going to clean that up with the next cutter. It'll be just fine. And while that's rolling, take a peek at the controller. Got some axis and load readout information up top. And on the bottom you can see all the commands roll by. It's pretty basic language, strongly based in Cartesian coordinates, mostly point-to-point and arcs. It's got some macro capability with it, but it's very simple but very powerful in its simplicity. So we're rolling through here. XYZ looks like the Z is minus 2.3, so it's about a quarter inch from the surface. Cut its profile. Now it's 260 thousandths down. Should be finished this operation in just another minute or two, but I'm going to pause the recording here because it's going to get a little monotonous and it's probably tough to see anything at all even happening there. Alright, just finished up its last pass. On that surface it left about 10 thousandths of an inch of material to come off. Tool change is swapping around now to a much smaller cutter. So right now it's running about an 1/8 of an inch end mill with a little corner radius, and it's going to step across that face every 7 thousandths of an inch, and it's going to profile out the finished shape. I'll stick with it for another minute or two here just to give you a sense. I don't know if that even shows up or not on the screen. Right now it's working on a 30 thousandths of an inch radius on the top face. It's starting to blend in the low shelf and the floor areas of the follower. And it's going to run this pattern for about the next 7 or 8 minutes. So I'm going to back out and I'm going to turn the coolant back on, and we'll pick it up in a little bit.